today's lecture is based on class 10 science. That is the chapter name is human eyes and the colorful world. That is the lecture number first. ये ह्यूमन आई जो है आप हम लोग ऐसा समझ सकते हैं कि दैट इज लाइक कैमरा. द ह्यूमन आई एबल टू form an image of an object on the retina, and we are going to study about the human eye. So first हम लोग इसका स्ट्रक्चर देख लेते हैं. What is the structure of human eye? And one by one we can discuss about the part of human eye. Suppose that this is the outer layer of the human eye, and this outer layer in front of lens that is known as cornea. And which structure now I try to draw this, that is the iris, and next one is crystalline lens. Now we have to name all the parts. The outer part and outer layer of this eye, that is cornea, and which structure is shown like this, that is the iris, and this is the ciliary muscles, and the fluid which is filled between the crystalline lens and retina. This is the retina, this is the layer, and you can say that is the membrane, and the fluid which is filled between crystalline lens and retina, that is vitreous humor, and the liquid filled between cornea and eye lens, that is aqua humor, and this structure which is able to form an image of an object, that is lens, crystalline lens. इतने पार्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे, एंड ये जो स्ट्रक्चर ऐसी कुछ नर्व्स आपको दिख रही हैं, दैट इज द ऑप्टिकल नर्व्स. अब यहाँ पर जो जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं, आइरिस, ciliary muscles, retina, optical nerves, and vitreous humor, crystalline lens, cornea and aqua humor। इन सभी का वन बाय वन हम लोग डिस्कशन करते हैं। फर्स्ट इज कॉर्निया। ये मेम्ब्रेन होती है which allow to pass the ray of light which is coming from the object, that membrane is cornea। Next is aqua humor, the fluid or liquid present between the cornea and the lens, that is known as aqua humor, and the refractive index of aqua humor is 1.33, n equals to 1.33। and next one is iris, and the mid part of the lens where the light enters in the lens, that is pupil। It allows how much ray of light can enters in the human eye, and it controls the amount of light, that is known as pupil। Iris, it is able to pass the light through which area is able to receive the light, that means ये कितने एरिया से लाइट यहाँ से इंटर कर सकता है, एंड इसके अमाउंट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए वो क्या रहता है, आइरिस, दैट इज द मेम्ब्रेन। नेक्स्ट है सिलियरी मसल्स। इट इज एबल टू support the eyelids, which is also can be adjust the lens, like when the sunlight or the light which is coming from the lens is lower in amount, then this lens, the radius of curvature of this lens can be increased, then this will be helped by the ciliary muscles। And next one is vitreous humor, the fluid which is filled in the human eye between the retina and the eye lens, that is known as vitreous humor, and also refractive index of this fluid is n equals to 1.33। Next is retina, which is able to construct the image of an object, and optical nerves sense the image of the object and sends an image to the head। Now there is a point that on the retina where the most clear image can be formed, that is known as yellow point, and the point at which the image cannot be formed clear, that is known as blind point or blind spot, and it is also known as yellow spot। So total there is a structure of the human eye, and the structure of the human eye construct itself, and write the definitions all these points in your notebook। and next video lecture में हम लोग start करेंगे आई साइट, that is the defect of eye। so आज का वीडियो लेक्चर बस इतना ही। थैंक यू।